Hello and welcome to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we are going to take a look at Souped Up Kitchen's wok, unboxing and how to season. Now we're going to open up this box here. Don't worry, boo-boo, I'll show you in a second. Take a look inside and see what we got. We got a nice little spatula. We've got this nicely wrapped wok, and it looks like it's got a little carrying case. Yes, I know you can open it with your teeth, but I think this is a little cleaner, my friend. Alright, now we've got this nice wooden top. Nope, no food for you, boo-boo. Sorry. See this beautiful top? It's very lightweight and almost as if it's styrofoam, but it's made of wood. Maybe drift could. Hey, don't eat that rubber band, boo-boo. Okay. And it's got this nice little handle with a screw on side. Some instructions on how to season it, but I'm going to say throw these out and follow what I'm going to show you. It's going to be a lot easier and more effective. We've got a nice little bag here for the wok and this beautiful carbon steel wok. Take a look at that. We're going to do some work with this today. All right. And it's got a nice little spatula. This metal spatula can be used on carbon steel without damaging the steel surface. So, first thing we need to do is hit that subscribe button and make sure to like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell to get updates on new videos as they come out. Alright, now, we're going to take about 5 minutes to clean this bad boy out. We've got to get the factory surface that they've put onto this wok taken off. You don't want to cook with it because it releases some chemicals into the air that you definitely do not want to breathe in. Alright, 5 minutes later, we're going to clean this off, and if you look closely, you're going to notice that the surface has some abrasions. It's not silky soft as it was before, and you need to be able to get this thing seasoned right away because it's going to start rusting from the oxidization in the air. So we're going to dry this bad boy off, get our temperature in our oven to 425 degrees. We're going to put this face down for the first 20 minutes. Come back in 20 minutes. Our wok is nice and hot. We're going to put this on top of our stove while we work on it. And as you can see, it's really looking ready to get worked on. So we're going to take some vegetable oil and we're going to put a very light coat. Now, I know it looks like a lot in there right now, but don't worry. I'm going to come back and use a dry paper towel to clean off any excess. You want to make sure it's a very, very thin layer of oil on your pan, as we're going to coat this several times to give it its non-stick surface. The other thing you're going to notice is if you put too much oil, when you place it back into the oven to get seasoned, the oil will start to drip and leave little drip marks in your pan, which you definitely don't want. So you're going to see that I'm putting the oil on both sides of the pan. That's because I want both sides seasoned. If you don't want both sides seasoned, you don't have to. I have seen some people online who have just seasoned the inside of the pan, but for me, I recommend doing both sides. Besides, look how shiny and nice it looks. Now you want to make sure to cover every inch of your pan, and then you'll see in a moment, we're going to come back and go through here with a dry paper towel. And once that's done, we're going to place it back in our oven, 425 degrees, 20 minutes. See you in a moment. 20 minutes have passed. We're going to take this bad boy out of the oven, close our oven up to keep the temperature nice and hot. And, oh, look at that. Can you see how the color is changing? It's cooled off quite a bit now. Put a little bit more oil in. We're into our second coat. Again, just like before, you're going to want to cover every inch of the pan with some of that vegetable oil, but not too much. Then we take our dry paper towel and go over it again to get any excess. Pop it back into the oven and see you in 20 minutes. And through the marvel of technology, 20 minutes have gone by and we have opened up our oven again and take a look. Oh, beautiful. And a third coat of oil. Make sure to get it everywhere after the pan has cooled. What we're doing is we're filling up those little micro abrasions that we caused earlier, making sure that the surface will be nice and smooth so that you can even cook an egg on this surface. And we place it back into our oven for the 4th time. See you in 20 minutes. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, be careful, guys. All right. And we'll take a look and see how she's doing. Oh, beautiful. Look how great that is. And you know, as you cook more and more with this wok, it's going to actually get darker and darker. After you finish cooking on your first time, make sure to take a look at this schedule as to how to clean your wok. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It does not cost you anything, but it helps our channel a lot. We appreciate it. See you next time.